Go.
Hello there, I am Hanwen C, and for this year's capstone project, I'm doing Story Simulation 11, which is the title of my story, which is Choose Your Own Adventure game. I was inspired by the D&D fantasy genre, so the Choose Your Adventure game is modeled after it, so that there are 4 different characters, the knight, ranger, hero, and wizard, and you'll get to choose your own adventure with them, each with different endings. It is sort of a mini D&D, but without the luck factor and only the choices factor.
Go.
The game is made using the Python coding language, and the choices made are using conditional statements of if, and else. The conditional statements for examples are if choice equals 1, then you choose storyline 1, or if statement equals else 2, then it will be storyline 2.
Yeah.
I learned to code from my teachers, Mr. Janzi and Mr. Hanger, from what they taught me. Anything that I didn't know, I searched on YouTube and Stack Overflow. A career this capstone project can lead to is gaming design and anything that involves coding that includes multiple choices such as surveys. If I had to do anything different for my next attempt, then I would have to make a better storyline, since I believe that the storyline I am making right now is subpar at best. Finally, I hope to do this project again next year, and since next year, I will be more prepared since I know exactly what to do. And I would like to thank you all for listening to this video presentation of Story Simulation 11.